Let's start with our demo. Today we'll be looking at the demo for an FNOL system built using Raspberry Pi. This is the moveRobot.py, which is responsible for doing most of the work, like moving the robot, taking pictures, calling Watson VR, connecting with Watson IoT, file the FNOL in IBM Case Manager. Now let's start. The robot is in motion now and we have the obstacle there. It has collided with the obstacle. Now it's starting to take the pictures. If you see here, it says command received process FNOL, and that's what it's going to do. It's going to take the pictures of the surroundings now. That's the pan and the tilt module in motion. So when the collision occurred, the robot moved back a little. That is just to simulate a real world scenario. In the real world, there's gonna be some space between the obstacle and the camera mounted inside the vehicle. That's why we move it just a little bit behind. It's gonna take the pictures now. It's moving behind. It's just because I programmed it to go to its original position. We are looking at the console now, and that's what happened here. We were initially inside the moveRobot, right? It started calculating the distance between the obstacle. Then we see here that the accident has occurred, and the picture is taken and the image is sent to visual recognition. In this case, we just send a hard-coded image of a vehicle. Since we haven't trained the Watson VR service yet with a classifier for an accident, we just use any image, and what the VR service does is it recognizes that as a vehicle. And for the demo purpose, we have set up our rules for recognizing it as a vehicle and the corresponding actions. It says here, now found a match, VR confirms that it is an accident, and then it goes and if you see, it says connected successfully to this device, right? FNOL device type Mac. If we go back here, pan out a little, and if you see that this is the Watson IoT dashboard and the device is Mac, and if you see the device type is FNOL device type. If you scroll down a little, you will see that the event that we sent was determine accident, and this is the event data, score and class, right? This is gonna trigger this IoT rule that we have, which says score greater than 70, class is equal to vehicle, which in turn is gonna initiate this action, which is the send email action and the take pictures action. This is the email that was sent, and this if you see closer, that is the condition FNOL device type dot score greater than 70 and class is equal to vehicle. Incoming message will give you the details of the incoming event. This is the Node-RED flow. It has executed, and if you look at the debug log, it says here data process FNOL. This command was sent back. If you look back to the console, it says command received process FNOL. That's the command which was sent by the Node-RED. Then it says processing FNOL, taking pictures. That's where it starts taking the pictures of the surrounding, right? Then it goes inside the recognize plate and create case module. Then it says plate was found as 6PYV308 with a confidence of 91.8%. Let's see if that's the case. Yes, 6PYV308. So the plate matching is correct. Then it goes inside and creates a case. That is the case number right there, FS execute and the number. Then it starts uploading the document and says document upload done, and then finally it disconnects. That's disconnected from the Watson platform. Now we go look at the case that was created in IBM Case Manager. The first notice of this is the IBM Case Manager, which is hosted inside a VM on my Mac. Let's go at the bottom. We see that there is a case that has been created. Let's go ahead and open that. Here we see that this is a process case. It says confidence equal to 91.8. That's what we saw on our console too, and the license plate that it has recognized. And these are all the images that it uploaded. Let's click on the images. You see, this is the image that it had captured. This and other images it will analyze and try to find out that number. This probably will give positive information about the number plate. Let's see others. This probably will not, because it's a partial number. The same is with this case, it's a partial number. So it will analyze all the different images that it has and try to spit out the actual number. The ones which it cannot find, it will say it cannot find, and eventually it will select the one which has the highest confidence, which in this case was 91.8. okay, and now this first notice of loss has been filed and ready for processing by the customer service representative. That's it. That concludes our demo of the first notice of loss system using Raspberry Pi. Thank you.